Hook it to the zoo with a 52-inch Hunter path. Always fucking forget the model. As you may know, this one is the one that came out of my girl's bedroom. I cleaned it. As you can see, it was fucking disgusting. It's on the mountain bike I found the strap that I put up. It's like a shed. I didn't push the mountain bike for the strapper. Bus watch is pretty big way from this to some weird ochre, some shit. It also is not low at all, like it did when it was in her room. So I think that's interesting, but no. These white bolts came with the Hunter Strapper, but we didn't use them because you're dim and yellow. In her house, we like the yellow of the daylight kind. It's got little poles. You guys, went me Woodstock administration, so you don't spend all day here. There it is with the light on. Turn around. So, you guys might tell me to smash it. I don't put on it because I actually like it. I know, man, it's another Hunter piece of shit. It's also not a big piece of shit. It ain't gonna cost Marco, but it's actually pretty good for the Hunter. I think it's better than not the 90s Hunters, but the 2000s, from like 2000 and like 11 to like 2015 Hunters that had the King of Lava sockets, the white women doing this, don't have any of that. Speaking of all, toasting here. But yeah, this is almost by. We're gonna be on this. It's not a bad name for Hunter. The Hunters from like 2011 to 2015 have really slow medium. Like the Stratford has a slow medium. This is a little slow. It's actually not that bad for a new Hunter. I don't know what makes her light more. It does vibrate like a bitch. All fans up on this spot do that. I don't know why it's retarded, but you know, high hopes. We'll go troubleshooting. It's a thing I'll get about Hunters. Why did it make this so much fucking longer than the legend? Usually make the legend longer than this. But usually make the change, because change are just a length, but usually you don't want to do like that. Like, like it only be that much longer. The Hunter is made a lot longer. It makes it hit pretty low with the story. It's just kind of, yeah. Back into like a shoulder piece. Sure, it's your fucking like it. is put the light. We're going to cut this over to my bag over this window. And it's a good window until we turn stuff off and right back off because you don't have to wait too long. Struggle, baby. Still going. Still get our feelings, but I'm gonna take a shit too. Yeah, I just said on video right now. So I'm looking at December. I don't know why it's not tight. I timed December so I could. Some really good, so cool. It stopped to burst so fast. more too hot. What's been? This man will go hot. And also it's not wall movers. I'm always open to it, work to black bitch ass motherfuckers. These nuts.